I can have poop and something I don't know. Why are we in here?
Hey, are you having a hard time trying to clean that mirror?
I'm having a hard time and I didn't fix it yet.
Then what you need is a product that can make your mirror clean. Do you know what that is?
Spray?
Nope. You need Wipey Ipey, the random spray thing that's gonna make your mirror shine. Just look at an awesome spraying. And look at the awesome wipings. And now it's sparkling clean. So what do you think?
It looks perfect.
But that's not the only thing it can clean. But it can also clean disc. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it can also clean disc. All you need to do is a little spray.
Whoa, cool.
And then we can clean it.
Did you know when I put my eyes on, they have a rainbow?
It has rainbows on your eyes?
No, it have a rainbow on the DVD when I look at it.
Huh. Right, it does have a rainbow. Which is why this product is so awesome. This product also cleans,
Trash.
let's just, no, not trash. Let's just say the table.
What about this macaroni and cheese?
That's not macaroni and cheese. That's just a piece of spaghetti. But anyways, it will clean the table for you.
Whoops.
Look at that shine. But best of all, it can clean
Doors.
I was actually thinking of the stove, but yeah, you're right, it would burn. This door seems okay. Whoa, this shines like awesomeness. Now, what do you think about that?
Nope, it's there right there.
Oh, don't worry, we can fix it up with the Wipey Ipey.
What about on the door?
Yeah, we are doing it on the door. Yeah, look at that. Okay, never mind. It's not strong enough to clean doors. But at least it's strong enough to clean tables. Yeah. Oh, wait, what about windows?
Yeah.
Alright, let me rephrase this. And best of all, it can clean windows.
Wait, you forgot to open the window. Why did you break the window?
This product is supposed to make things clean, so that's why I sprayed it.
Oh my god.
So, what do you think about this product?
It's a little bit hard.
What do you mean it's a little bit hard?
For the window. Yuck!
Yeah, I know.
I saw dirt.
Anyways, if you would like to buy the Wipey, it only costs $5.99. Oh man, we forgot the dollar signal. And remember, this product cleans furniture, windows, not garage doors, mirrors, and tables. This is the number 1-877-665-4122. Your age does not matter to buy this product.